What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about the M50 and the slow motion. I've got some sausage or turkey sausage in my beard because I got a bowl of it over here I'm eating. So we're looking at a video from Freely. I have a Canon M50 and I've been using it, and the slow motion, everything I've filmed in slow motion in 720p at 120 frames a second is complete garbage and unusable. Like, the autofocus doesn't seem to focus on me in the 720p 120 frames a second. So I filmed a few skateboarding videos with some slow motion with the M50, and I just deleted them all because it was just garbage. It looked so bad. Everything was out of focus. The resolution was terrible. But this is actually the best clip I've seen with the slow motion on the M50. Stuff is still out of focus. I think he did something to this. I think he did something to the edges on that to make it out of focus. I don't know what kind of lens he's using. But some of these clips are pretty good. For 720, I'm watching on a phone, so it's like 340 or something, or 260 or something. But yeah, that looks good right there. That actually looks really good for 720p. I don't know which lens he's using. It's something like a 50mm probably, maybe the 22 f2. But I was using the 11 to 22, and it was just unusable. It was garbage. I'm gonna try to film some more tomorrow. I'll put some clips up of the slow motion on the M50 eventually. But as of right now, I'm not impressed with it. I would rather film the 60 frames a second and then use optical flow to make it look like it's 33% speed. That works a lot better, especially if there's not a lot of action. If you're just doing like an ollie, if you're doing a kickflip, you might have a little bit of artifacting and weird stuff going on, warping. But for the most part, like that action right there, if you film that 60 frames a second in 1080 and used optical flow to make it look like 120, it would look fine. Any slow movement like that would work fine with optical flow on Premiere. So yeah, this is the slow motion on the M50. I like the M50. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep using it because I really like almost everything about it, and I love how small it is. I've been enjoying taking photos with it. I've been taking photos with the M50 lately too, and it might just be my main camera now because I've really enjoyed it. But the slow motion, the 720p is garbage. The 720 60 on the 5D Mark III I used to have a long time ago was great. Like, it looked like 1080. It was good quality 720. But the 720 on the M50, it's just not good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.